Everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to look back at Matplotlib. Didn't have this done, but messing around with pyplot and scatter. So alright, let's just get after it. So from Matplotlib, import, if I can spell tonight, import pyplot as PLT. So alright, if you're new here, this is what we do. We do micro videos. So if you do not know what Matplotlib is, Matplotlib, stop here, back out, go look at that, come back. So alright, let's run this. And it's going to pull it down and look at it and install it into our interpreter, and then we are going to run help because we know all this. PLT on scatter. So I talked about this last time, gave a little bit of a hint. So sometimes it doesn't want to all fit. Right, here's a scatter plot. What we're going to do is we're going to look at it goes in the same, takes an X and a Y that we have to give, and we'll work through the rest of this. But right now, let's look and see what it does naturally. So alright, what I was thinking about, a perfect example of a scatter plot is let's think about heights and weights. So let's get random in here. From random, import random as rand. Alright, so height, let's do rand, what, 60 inches to 70, 78, so that's 6'2", no, 6'6", for I in range, let's do 20. Close this out. Weight as rand 150 through 350 for I in range. Let's do, you gotta get 20 of these as well, or it'll throw up all over the place. So alright, same thing like we did with plot, scatter, do, which one do you want on the X? Let's do height, and then weight, and then the most important, we gotta show it. So alright, let's run this. So unlike just plot, can you see that? Okay, good, you can see that. Yeah, it's right in the middle. Sorry. So alright, unlike our regular, where we could go in and force it to just do the dots, if we were to do this as plot, just to remind you, what would happen is it would try to join it all. That doesn't tell you anything, and we know how to go in and just make it individual, but scatter takes care of that for you. Let's make sure I closed it. Okay, cool. So let's go back. So there we go. So this is scatter plot, and of course there's more we can do with it, but this is just our little quick intro to it. As always, let's make sure we're leaving any comments, questions, or my absolute favorite, any video requests. Have gotten some really awesome video requests, and if this is the type of video you're liking, let's give it a thumbs up for me. That gives me some really good feedback. And as always, if you've not subscribed yet, make sure you're clicking that subscribe button and the notification bell. So we got videos coming out all the time, rolling through topics in a rolling fashion, one after another. And I might drop in subject matter that helps along the subjects that we're talking about, or something that I think that we absolutely can't move on without it. but we've been working on 4 right now and dropping in some others. So that is Scatterplot from pyplot with Matplotlib. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.